Hi, this is Mrs. Logue, and I'm going to walk you through the steps of long multiplication today. We're going to be doing 627 times 83. You're always going to want to begin with this digit in the ones place, so we will multiply 627 times 3. So 3 times 7 is 21, so we'll write our 1 and carry our 2 to the top. I always like to write the number that I carry a little bit smaller so it doesn't get confused with the other factors. 3 times 2 is 6. And you're going to want to add the number you carried. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 times 6 is 18. Now we've run out of digits to multiply by the 3, so now we're going to look at the next number, which is an 8. Now this 8 is actually in the tens place, so it has a value of 80. And for that reason, we're going to need to put a 0 as a placeholder here, because we are really multiplying 627 by 80. 8 times 7 is 56, so we'll write our 6 and we'll carry our 5 to the top. Now, I do like to cross off the numbers that I've already used so that they don't get confused. 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 plus 5 is 21. So we'll write our 1 and carry our 2 to the top, again crossing off the numbers we've already used. 8 times 6 is 48. And 48 plus 2 is 50, so we'll write that down here. We do not need to carry the 5 because there are no more numbers up here to multiply by. So the last step will be to add these numbers. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, so we'll write our 4 and carry the 1 to the top. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 more is 10, so we'll write our 0 and carry our 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus 1 more is 2, and 5 plus 0 is 5. Now the last thing you're going to want to make sure you do is make sure you count 3 spaces over to put your comma in the correct spot. So 1, 2, 3. So our final product is 52,041. Now one thing that I do like to tell the students is to make sure that they're writing their numbers a little bit bigger than normal so that you can see it better. Another hint is sometimes students write their numbers a little bit off and then they add the wrong numbers together. So one thing that you can do to help them out is ask them to draw lines down, because when you do this, it lines up your numbers, and this way you won't add the wrong ones together. So there you go. 627 times 83 is 52,041.